Hey bosses, it's Nina. I'm here working and I got that video that everyone got. Dun dun dun. Oh, I feel like I should do a TikTok video. Dun dun dun. Anyways, it's the important message from YouTube saying that today, that whole COPPA law, FTC compliance, all that kind of stuff, that all starts today. So you have to change your settings. You have to make sure that you've selected whether your videos are appropriate for kids, not appropriate. It's not appropriate if they're made for kids or not. So the reason why I stopped myself is because there's this confusion about how you should mark your videos or what you should do. So I'm just gonna take you through a quick step-by-step video to teach you how to change your settings, okay? So if you're new here, subscribe. I know you're new, I can see that you're new. Just subscribe. I give you all kinds of neat stuff and about business and YouTube and videos and Instagram and how to market your business, but super simple videos. In fact, I have a video creators camp coming up this weekend. I do it often. It's all about launching, growing, and monetizing your YouTube channel. Go to videocreatorscamp.com to sign up. Anyways, this is a video that the email that came out. It says, starting today, we will no longer serve personalized ads or support features such as comments, stories, live chat, notification bell, and others on videos designated made for kids. So I don't mind because I don't make videos for kids. It's not whether it's appropriate, kids can still find my stuff, but is it made for kids? My videos are made for business owners. So I went in there and changed my settings. You're basically gonna have the setting to say, is it made for kids or not made for kids? And there's actually 2 steps that you need to follow. I'll show you right after I explain them. So if you're one of those people that are impatient, sit tight. It's not a long video, right? So one, you have to change your channel settings. Your channel settings are basically overall blanketed, what is your channel about? Is it made for kids or not made for kids, right? And I selected no, because it's not made for kids. And then each individual video that you upload, you have to select whether it's made for kids or not made for kids. In addition, there's an option down there, and I can't remember, but I believe it may have been there before. It may have just been in a different, it was there before, it was just in a different area. But anyways, the second choice is it appropriate for people under 18, which is great. For those of you that have videos that may be talking about more mature topics, you're gonna have to select that. So make sure that you do both of those. You have to do those. What's gonna happen is if you mark them as made for kids and it's not, YouTube will ding you. So basically they'll do something on their end. I'm not gonna go through the details. I'll actually include a link below that talks about all of that. But you'll have a chance to appeal it and let them know, hey, you made a mistake. But watch the original video below explaining the new law and everything that's going on, as well as all of the processes. But for now, we're gonna head over to your YouTube studio and we're gonna make those changes and you'll be fine. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know below. Don't forget to like and share this with your audience. Share it with any of your audience members or your clients who really is using YouTube, or threw some videos up on YouTube. You still need to change the settings. All right, let's take a look. Okay, it's actually pretty easy to update your settings. There's a couple different ways to do it. I'm gonna start by going to my studio. I type in studio.youtube.com and hit enter. Now, for some of you at the top, and this bar is probably not going to be there for me because I clicked it. Yeah, so for some of you, there's going to be a bar at the top that tells you to change your settings. You could simply click that button and it will take you directly to where you need to go. If you don't have that, don't worry. All you're going to do is scroll all the way down on your left-hand side to settings. Then you're going to go to channel, and the settings we're looking for are under advanced settings. Again, I'm not going to do a deep dive into helping you make the decision whether your channel is made for kids or not. That's something that you can determine on your own. But if you need more information, the link is right there. Now, I set mine to no. But remember, this is only the first step. You do this for your overall channel, but you also have to set it for videos when you upload. By the way, I do have a full tutorial on YouTube Studio. I'll include that link below as well. All right, let's look at videos that you upload. I'm just gonna upload a random video, and actually let's go where you normally go to upload your videos and what you probably see. By the way, this is TubeBuddy. All right, so I'm gonna upload a video. Let me pause this real quick. And I'm just gonna upload, let's see if I can find a video that I have not uploaded, because you cannot upload duplicate videos. Okay, good. Okay, I'm just gonna upload a random video. While that's uploading, let me remind you, I am in Atlanta and I have a video creators camp coming this weekend, and I do this regularly. So if you do wanna know more about how to launch, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel, head over to videocreatorscamp.com. All right, so I have my video here. You would go through your normal settings, but here's the thing. At the bottom, there are a couple of things. You want to first label whether this particular video is made for kids. So by default, mine is going to say no, because my channel is not made for kids. In addition, I would go ahead and set the restriction on anything that's going to be inappropriate, has cursing, not addressed to kids, because even though you set this as no, it's not made for kids, kids can still find it, right? So you want to actually set age restrictions. Just some examples of when you would do this. I have a client who is a therapist, and on her channel, she's going to be talking about sex and communication with different topics. And so in that instance, she may want to limit the age. Also certain channels, and actually I don't want to say all these words because I don't want them to flag this video. But anyways, this is where you kind of set those settings for each video. You go through each step, and then after you're done, you've complied with the laws and with YouTube. Okay, like I said, super easy. So don't forget that if you mark something as made for kids and it's not, YouTube may go in there and say, we caught you. That's not made for kids. But you can always appeal it. Again, all the information is below. Make sure you subscribe and share. I love y'all. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that, little subscribe and bell button so you can be a boss. Peace.